little freaky. I'm getting a low battery aircraft landing, so the battery's gotten so low that it's forcing me to land. Good morning. Woke up early today. Got a chance to fly around the area. Quite a beautiful place. I am returning to home right now. Here's the sunrise. Here's the little town I've been staying in. It's got everything you need, so it's not too small. Beautiful rolling hills. 30 minutes to go. Little freaky. I'm getting a low battery aircraft landing, so the battery's gotten so low that it's forcing me to land. I'm really thankful that almost the spot, but now I have to be really careful because when it comes down, it's not gonna let me hover. It's gonna need to land. Been a couple days here and I'm coming back up to Tesla in Quebec City. They quoted me $35 and then I'm just to stop by and that it's an easy part to pop on. Hopefully it stays on for the duration of this trip. Come out to be about approximately $30 US. This here at night last time, it's all different to me. It's to be a parts side here. Looking for the best crepes in Quebec City here. Right here, there's a fire hydrant, so I'm gonna look for parking. The Supercharger! The Supercharger is pretty far from Old Quebec. You have to go across this bridge and then another 2.5 kilometers to get to Route Marie. Pretty cool bridge. A couple bridges actually. This is the probably more of a local, I'm guessing local bridge. And then the other bridge is probably more like Montreal or something. Nice to see many Teslas. Dog. I'm going to grab some dinner from the grocery store and then I'm going to car camp nearby. I reached St. George's, Quebec this evening, and I found an electric circuit EV charging station. This was my first charge session on the whole trip that wasn't free. I spent $2.50 Canadian to use this charger overnight, and I got a full charge to reach Maine the following day. At this price, they're either losing money on longer charge sessions or it's going to be subsidized. They did require I add $10 Canadian into my electric circuit account, which is like a digital wallet, in order to get charging without getting their charging card. So now I have another reason to return to Canada for 3 more charge sessions.